Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Yogyasri and this title name is Hiccup and it's story time. After tea, Toad got hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. Try holding your nose and count to 10, said Mom. Counting to 10, said Mom. That didn't work. Hiccup, hiccup, said Toad. Try holding your arms up in the air, said Dad. But it didn't work. Hiccup, hiccup, said Toad. And his sister is laughing at him. Stand on your hands, said Tilly. That won't work, said Toad. Now drink this water, said Mom. Hiccup, 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 said Toad. Sugar will do it, said Dad. Sugar, said Mom. That won't work. Hiccup, hiccup, said Toad. I know what to do, said Tilly. Boo! She went to a seat from the cupboard. Boo! Shouted Tilly. But Dad did not get... Oh, the page. I forgot that. That didn't scare me, said Toad. Hiccup, hiccup. But Tilly did scared Bunny. He began to bark. Shh, said Toad. He put his fingers in his ears. Pop! The hiccups stopped. No more hiccups, said Toad. Good dog, Bunny. Oh, that's the end. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.